Hey there everyone, this is my first ever video that I'm making. I'm just recording this off my phone, nothing special, just starting up. So I hope you guys do like it, and like I said, it's just a short tutorial just to show you guys what's in the box and what comes in with it for the fly mode combo. And if you do like the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and give me some support to start me off from somewhere. Okay, let's go ahead with this unboxing. With the fly mode combo, pretty much all the drone and the controller and all the accessories and the battery all comes in the bag. I just wanted to say that I quite like the new design of the case the DJI just put out. So it just covers the line where the zip line is, if you look here carefully. And if I was to unzip it, you see what I mean? And zip it back up. It's pretty clever. In this box, you've got your extra batteries that comes with the fly mode combo. So you get 3 batteries, 1 on the drone and 2 in the box. That's one of them. You get your charging adapter and your bracket. I'm guessing it's on this side. It's your charging hub. So if you want to charge 3 batteries at the same time. Literally guys, I just got this today, so I haven't even undone none of these yet, the wrapping and so on. The controller, as you can see, quite like it. That's where your phone goes, and your cable is here, so that's for the iPhone. And if you want to use an Android one, it's in the box itself, so you just got to take it and replace it with an Android cable. So here he is, Dji Mavic Air 2. Got sensors at the bottom, LED light, 2 sensors at the front, as well as 2 sensors at the back. These are the extra USB cables you do get with it. So if you do have an Android phone, you could just put these on, and you could use these. The filters, just have a look, pretty cool. By the looks of it, I think this goes onto the charging hub, this bit, and then you could put any of your USB cables on there to charge your controller. Extra sticks, so if you do lose the ones you already got, you got 2 more in the pack. And you get this extra cable, I think it's just to transfer data from the drone itself to the laptop. If you guys did like this video, if you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comments down below. Let me know what you think about it. Be safe, and I'll catch you soon on the next video. Thank you.